Okay, so here we are, kind of enjoying this view. It's amazing, right? And we're gonna just walk down that way. So, okay. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so that is like a little guard. So in case somebody maybe was to fall, I guess that would hopefully slow them down a little bit, because that's a pretty big fall right there. And what we're doing is overlooking, there's Taipa Grande, that mountain over there, and we're on another kind of mountain. There's, of course, this is an island, so there's little mountains everywhere, or hills. I don't know what you call those, but we're definitely up there. And just for a little bit of reference, we're probably almost equal to these buildings, and those are probably, I don't know, 15-story buildings? I'm not really sure. That one's a much higher one, of course. That one looks like it's a little bit up on the hill. Part of it is built on the hill because we can walk right to it right now. Maybe that's what we'll do. And while we walk over there and just kind of check out that one, there's some bridges over there. Another bridge over there, another bridge. Lots of reclaimed land over there. Let's just kind of show you. So we also have more buildings that are up there. A long time ago I was able to get up there, but I can't get into the buildings anymore. They've all kind of changed ownerships and changed, and it's not, I think it's not the school year right now either. So this is part of the City University of Macau. It's shared by several of them. So I think one of them is City University, another is IFT, I believe. There's another one as well. Don't know the third one. Okay, so we're gonna just walk on down, check it all out. So yeah, you got tall buildings all the way up on the mountainside, and you got tall buildings all the way down that are below us, that are so it looks like here we don't have the guards anymore. So we got the guards there. You got the guards there, right? But not there. But there is a ledge, so man. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down. So yeah, this is kind of like a little university zone, I guess. I don't think they really call it like a university zone, but that's basically what it is. And yeah, you can just keep on climbing up to those buildings. Are kind of cool, all those glass ones. And actually that one you can climb up the stairs. I don't know if you'd want to. And then I guess all the way you can take the stairs. I guess I could probably take it right now. Take it stairs all the way up to the top. There's another stairs that's outside as well. I don't think I'll be taking those stairs. We're already pretty high up there, right here. Okay. So anyways, you can see that this building also connects to this as well. So I think that might be all I really want to film of this. But I did want to give you a little touch and a little taste. So that's something interesting. The university area of Macau, overlooking the city. You can see Macau Tower just slightly in the distance there as well. Okay. Yeah.